Imagine this. You're craving crispy fries or juicy chicken tenders, but the thought of greasy oil splatters and a long cleanup stops you cold. Or maybe you're in a small apartment, where counter space is a luxury and bulky appliances just don't fit. Enter the Elite Gourmet Personal 2.1 Quart Compact Space-Saving Programmable Hot Air Fryer, a sleek, powerful solution that delivers healthier meals, faster cooking, and effortless cleanup. This isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade for anyone who wants delicious food without the hassle. In this review, we'll dive deep into why this air fryer is a must-have, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's perfect for singles, couples, or small space dwellers. Stick around for a compelling YouTube description and a call to action that'll have you ready to transform your kitchen. Why the Elite Gourmet 2.1 Quart Air Fryer stands out. The Elite Gourmet 2.1 Quart Air Fryer is designed for modern, health-conscious cooks who value convenience and flavor. With its oil-less cooking technology, compact design, and programmable controls, it tackles common kitchen pain points: unhealthy frying, time-consuming prep, and cramped counters. Whether you're a busy professional, a student in a dorm, or a couple looking to simplify meal prep, this air fryer delivers. Let's break down what makes it exceptional. Key features that make cooking a breeze. 2.1 quart personal size capacity. Perfect for 1 to 2 people, the non-stick basket holds up to 1.5 pounds of food. Think a hearty serving of fries, veggies, or chicken wings. Its compact size, 11.02 inches long by 8.5 inches wide by 10.75 inches high, fits snugly on any countertop, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs. Oil-less. Cooking with vapor system. Using 85% less oil, the air fryer's unique vapor system and circulating hot air create a crispy, golden finish without the guilt. Enjoy the same flavor as deep-fried foods, minus the calories and mess. Programmable digital controls. The adjustable time and temperature panel, 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, offers precision for frying, baking, grilling, or roasting. A 30-minute timer with auto shutoff ensures safety and ease. Cool touch handle and easy cleanup. Safely remove food without burns and clean the dishwasher safe, non-stick basket and rack in minutes. The exterior stays pristine with a quick wipe down. ETL approved and trusted brand. With 40 years of reliability, Elite Gourmet offers a 1-year warranty and US-based support for peace of mind. Benefits that elevate your cooking game. Healthier meals made simple. By slashing oil use, this air fryer lets you indulge in favorites like fish fillets or veggie chips without compromising your wellness goals. It's a game changer for anyone aiming to eat cleaner. Time and energy savings. Cook up to 85% faster than traditional methods, thanks to the high-power convection fan. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. Versatility for every craving. From crispy snacks to roasted meats, this 4-in-1 appliance handles it all. The included 15 healthy recipes and cooking guide spark inspiration for new dishes. Space-saving design. Its sleek, black finish and compact footprint make it a stylish addition to small kitchens without sacrificing performance. Hassle-free maintenance. The non-stick PFOA/PTFE free basket and rack are dishwasher safe, and the exterior requires only a damp cloth, perfect for busy lifestyles. Who's this air fryer for? The Elite Gourmet 2.1 quart air fryer is tailor-made for singles or couples. Its 2.1 quart capacity is ideal for small households, delivering just right portions without waste. Small space dwellers. Apartment residents, dorm students, or RV campers will love its compact size and big performance. Health-conscious cooks. Those seeking low-fat, crispy meals without sacrificing taste will find this air fryer indispensable. Busy professionals. With fast cooking and easy cleanup, it's perfect for quick, delicious meals after a long day. Customer reviews echo my experience. On Amazon, users praise its compact size and ease of use, with one noting, "It's perfect for my studio apartment, cooks fries and chicken strips flawlessly." Another highlighted the health benefits. "I love making veggie chips without oil, they're crispy and guilt-free." Why you should buy now. The Elite Gourmet 2.1 quart air fryer isn't just an appliance. It's a ticket to healthier, faster, and more enjoyable cooking. Its compact size, versatile functions, and easy maintenance make it a no-brainer for small households or busy lifestyles. At its price point, you're getting premium features without breaking the bank. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or experimenting with new recipes, this air fryer delivers consistent, delicious results. Don't wait to revolutionize your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today.